Well, here we go. It's SFPA 2025. We're in the Cleereman booth.
How are you?
What's going on, brother?
Good to see you. We're at Nashville, Tennessee at the Forestry Expo at the Cleereman Industries booth.
What are we about to do?
We're going to watch Vidam run the simulator of the carriage line saw up a log. He's going to become a head sawyer.
That's cool.
That's right.
How long would it take me to learn how to run your equipment, you think? If I know nothing about...
Well, I mean, this is going to be like playing a video game, but you're actually going to run our actual system, so you're going to learn how to run it. But, I mean, I've seen guys get in here in about a half an hour. They get pretty good on it with someone talking them through it. So.
Challenge accepted.
All right, let's go.
So let's just start over here.
Okay.
Let's clear it out. Okay.
All right.
Left hand carriage feed. Just push it back and forth. Get a feel for the carriage. Just get a little feel for it there.
Yep. Sounds good to me. I love it.
Right hand, bottom left button is your log deck. Forward. There you go.
Bottom left.
Yep. Right hand, bottom left. That's over here on this side.
That's your log deck feed.
Yep.
Bring her on in.
Yep.
While you're bringing the log in, just keep holding it. While you're bringing that log in, get this knee number 1 lined up with where it says load right there. Right there. Gentle. There, you can let go of the log deck button now. So yeah, just scoot it down a little bit this way still. Right there. Okay, that's good. Now right hand, top left button is to open your dogs. Okay, there you go. Now right hand trigger is going to load the log. Hold that button. There you go, now let go of it. Okay, now press that dog button again. Right hand, there you go. Okay, now trigger on your left hand is set and it's gonna scan and just open that log up to whatever your best opening face is. So that'd be like what you set it as. Like you tell the scanner, hey, we need 4-inch wide and at least 6 feet long. When you hit that, it's gonna give you that best opening face.
I love it.
See the picture of what the log's gonna do.
I
after
love
you get
it.
done with the cut, it's gonna tell you, hey, like this is probably 4 inches and you're gonna have 5 feet, so you're gonna get that minimum board that you need.
I love it.
So now this hand, just push it through the saw. It's got auto saw guide, so the saw guide already went up to where it needed to be.
Yep. How do I know how fast to feed it? Can I go quick or?
Yeah, just try to keep it a little slow in real life. You don't want to blow the band off, right?
Yeah.
So now on the back side, it's a double cut saw, so you can hit the trigger again on your right hand. See it come forward?
Yeah.
Now feed it back this way. And now you can see here, it just showed you what that next space is after you get done with that cut.
Love it. Okay.
Alrighty, so now let's hit it one more time. Let's hit set one more time.
Where is that?
Set again. There you go. We'll open that face up a little better before we start flipping it around.
This is very cool, guys. Well done.
So after we get through this cut, let's back the knees up. That's this button. Back them up, and now bring it back down here.
Yeah.
Just kind of get it right in front of you. We're going to flip that log.
I love
get it on face number 2. Okay, so right there. Now, turners, top right. Okay, that's your Brownsvilles. They're going to come out and up. Hold it. Let it come down on that face, just like that. Now re-dog it. There you go. Catching on quick. And now, and now feed it a little. So the scan heads are like 6 inches apart. So we got to travel at least 6 inches to get the picture. Now feed it through the saw.
What kind of scanners are you using in real life?
Joe scan.
That's the ones I invented, man.
Yeah.
I have a patent on that technology. I love it, dude. This is like...
Trigger. There you go. You're catching right on.
Yeah.
There you go.
Oh, no, we want... Did it do it?
Yep, it did it. There you go. Now you can probably open it one more time. Okay, now we got a good face. So I'll open up, back the knees up. Proceed. There you go. Back them up. Okay, now flip. Top right button. Hold it. There you go. Set her down. Okay, now dog that handle. Now this time we're not going to do the trigger. You're going to do compute. So it's going to break it down for you. So we've just been opening it up. Now you're going to see when you hit compute. So hit compute. Now scan. Move the carriage a little. There you go. And now see how it broke it down for you?
Oh my
Now
goodness.
there you go. Board.
So I opened up the face with 2. I made a 90-degree, and then now compute, you've identified what I can make. So what do we know about these boards that are going to come out?
So right here, if you look in the top right there, axis.
Yeah.
So our first one's our slab.
Yep.
And then we got an 8/4.
This is the slab.
Yep, this is the slab. That's what we're going to cut. Then we got an 8/4 and 8/4. It's stacking 8/4, and it's going to end on an 8-inch
can.
Okay. Can.
So I could just rip through it?
Yep, just rip through it.
If I go the right direction.
Yep. Then trigger.
Trigger.
I'll bring her back. Yep. So after you hit compute that first time, you only have to hit set.
Love it.
Yep. And that's going to stop you. I mean, you can pay attention to it, but eventually it'll just beep at you saying, hey, we're where we needed to be. You don't need to cut anymore. See, now we're at that cant, so it's going to tell you
that's the
cant. Yep, so recede, back them up. With this button. There you go, hold it. Now let's turn it again. Let's get it on that fourth and final face. So top right button. Get it laid down. Jog up a little bit, just so we know we're hitting the... You just go like this. Open the dogs. Then jog up, just this one right here. Just a little bit, just okay. Now dog it. And now compute again, so this button right here.
Oh, compute, okay.
Yeah.
Did it do it?
Yeah, well you had hit scan first, so what we can do is just, if you leave it like this, we'll just clear that face, and now hit that button. Now do it again, now it'll break it down. See, so we got a slab, 4 boards, we're gonna end.
So now you're computing, you want to leave a hard cant, or what are you trying to do here?
Yeah, how he's got it set up right now for the stack is we're just trying to get, it's gonna get to an 8x8 cant. So it's going to be 8 inches one way, 8 inches the other way.
But the heart's right here. So this is quarter sawing, or what do you follow?
No, we don't have the heart in yet.
Okay.
We're working on that still. This is version 1.0.
Hey, for 1.0?
Yeah.
Amazing.
We're going to get to the point where we can get the heart and some colors in there.
I love it.
One step at a time.
Yeah. Are you working on this? Is this your project?
No, this is the controls guy's project. I start a lot of our mills up.
Yeah.
So I'm good with going through the sawyers on how to saw.
You're teaching them. You're teaching them how to use it, right?
Yeah.
And what happens when you leave? How do they train the next guy? You train one guy, but how do you train the next guy?
Most of the time when we go to a mill, there's like 2 or 3 guys. You know, they'll get all their sawyers in there, and usually their maintenance guy will come in. So now we're at that cant. So pushers, if you hit this button, it's gonna, and you can see it right here. You kind of get a little mess, but hold that pusher button. It's gonna push that cant off, and that would be it. We got a little pile up.
I just broke down.
You just broke a log down.
One of the reasons for this simulator is so we can teach people, you know, like you can send somebody to our factory.
Yeah, it'll be way better.
Learn to run the system before you ever get the equipment.
I absolutely love the concept, yeah.